Top 6. Best circular saws. If you're looking for the best circular saws, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals. Number 1. Makita 5007 Magnesium Circular Saw.
Ideal for framers, roofers, and carpenters, the 7 1/4 inch magnesium circular saw. The 15-amp motor with a max output of 2300 watts delivers proven performance. Made with magnesium components, this saw is well balanced with less weight. It has a beveled capacity that reaches 56 degrees. Its bevel adjustment and positive stops at 22.5 and 45 degrees ensure optimum cutting flexibility. The lowered guard design improves performance. The built-in LED light and dust blower enhances the line of cut for increased accuracy. The reinforced power cord withstands job site abuse. Make quick one-handed adjustments with its large rubberized levers with easy-to-read numbers and ruler markings. The 7 1/4 inch magnesium circular.
Number 2. DeWalt 20-volt circular saw.
My name is Danny Tawney and I work for Manor Bros Home Improvement. I've been in this business for coming up on 18 years. There is no normal in remodeling. I mean, every day you're doing something different. My first impression of the 20-volt circ saw was that it actually has a 7 1/4 inch blade. I feel completely comfortable doing any large project without having to use a cord because you're confident that the battery will last. The runtime is probably the most impressive thing because it does last a really long time, and not just for the amount of trigger pulls, but when you're doing long rip cuts, you know it's going to go through. The brake on it is awesome. That's the big one for me. And I am currently in the 20-volt system right now. Having this is perfect. I used the DeWalt table saw, I used the miter box, all of their drills, their reciprocating saw, their oscillating saw. Oh, this is a 10 out of 10. I feel comfortable with the saw in any job that I'm doing.
Number 3. Craftsman 15-amp circular saw.
With the Craftsman 7 1/4 inch 15-amp circular saw by your side, you'll tackle your job with confidence. This 15-amp motor coupled with a magnesium shoe gives you the power and durability needed. A 7 1/4 inch carbide tooth blade allows for smooth and quick cutting. Its 55-degree bevel capacity detents at 2 different angles, and tool-free design lets you quickly adjust bevel angle to make precise cuts. Convenience and comfort are also key, thanks to the included rafter hook and contoured handle. For a job well done, you need tools you can trust. Turn to the Craftsman 7 1/4 inch 15-amp shoe circular saw for the reliable performance you need.
Number 4. Skillsaw SPT 70WM-01 15-amp worm drive circular saw.
Introducing the Skillsaw 10 1/4 inch worm drive. Known as Saw Squatch, this monster of a saw comes with a motor that is specifically designed to cut 4x in one clean, efficient pass. Now you can easily tackle LVL, glulam, pine, and PSL wood. Saw Squatch comes with our dual field motor technology, found in all skill saws. Dual copper windings dissipate heat and keep the motor running cooler, providing increased power and durability for the life of the saw. Backed by our Stay True guarantee, you can try out this saw for 180 days. If you're not satisfied, just return it, no questions asked. There's no comparison when it comes to the power of Skillsaw, and Saw Squatch is no exception. For more on this saw, visit skillsaw.com.
Number 5. Rockwell RK3440K VersaCut circular saw.
Here's a saw that has speed as its middle name. The VersaCut by Rockwell lets you change blades one-handed.
I like the interchangeable blades the most. I like that I can take and cut any type of material and just change out the saw blade in a matter of seconds.
That means you can rip through different materials lickety-split. Its 4 amps are powerful, with a speed of 3,500 RPMs, but it doesn't weigh a lot. making it the one to reach for when you are on the move.
The VersaCut is much more lightweight than the circular saw. It weighs about 4 pounds. It's a lot easier to maneuver around the house.
The base plate provides a clear view of where the blade enters the work, making tricky cuts much easier to see. Changing the depth of a cut is right on the side. For around $130, the saw includes 3 blades, a vacuum adapter, and a storage bag. And precision.
I like the laser beam. I like the fact that if you draw a line and it's not very clear, you have the laser beam there to back you up, and it makes a nice smooth cut.
VersaCut's laser guide helps you get the right cut every time.
Number 6. Makita SP6000J1 Circular Saw.
Are you looking for a saw that'll deliver precision and accuracy in hard-to-cut sheet materials? Then you're ready for the Makita SP6000J 6.5-inch plunge circular saw. A saw that's ideal for ripping and cross-cutting sheet materials and engineered to provide you precise, splinter-free cuts. The SP6000J is built with superior features designed to deliver best-in-class accuracy, versatility, and performance. The saw features a precision cutting system, which includes dual bevel supports to keep the saw squared to the material, and is engineered to keep the line of cut in exact position regardless of the angle of the bevel. The precision cutting system ensures precise cuts and saves setup time. The SP6000J has a bevel cutting capacity of 1 to 48 degrees with positive stops at 22.5 and 45 degrees. Adding to the precision cutting capabilities is the Quick Depth Stop feature. To achieve a precise cut, set the depth to 1/16 of an inch by activating the Quick Depth Stop button. Well, this allows you to score the surface across the material. Then release the Quick Depth Stop setting and make the final cut. The SP6000J can make a close-to-the-wall cut of only 11/16 of an inch for expanding applications. At the heart of the system is the optional guide rail that accommodates the saw's base with zero play. The durable aluminum rails are available in 55 and 118-inch lengths for either cross-cut or rip cuts on a variety of sheet materials. The Makita guide rails also accommodate other saw brands. Along the end of the guide rail is a splinter guard strip that serves as an exact cut line. The replaceable non-slip scripts on the bottom of the guide rail will reduce shifting of the guide rail while cutting. For an increased grip, simply slide the optional clamps into the T-slots on the bottom of the guide rail, securing them against the workpiece. Once the guide rail is positioned on the line of cut, place the SP6000J onto the track. Then remove any play by adjusting the cams at the front and rear of the saw's base. This will help create a precise and splinter-free cut. Makita's built the SP6000J circular saw with state-of-the-art electronic and mechanical features that'll reinforce Makita's legacy of best-in-class engineering. The SP6000J uses precision machine magnesium for the blade case, gear housing, and base. Exceeding industry-standard machine specifications, the SP6000J weighs only 9.3 pounds, making it the lightest saw in its class. The large 2-finger trigger and the ergonomic rubberized handle provide additional comfort. The SP6000J has a soft start feature for smooth startups and a variable speed control dial for optimum performance in a variety of soft and hardwood materials. The electronic speed control and powerful 12-amp motor are designed to maintain constant speed under load, even under hard and thick materials, creating a smooth and splinter-free cut every time. The saw comes in a stored system case that protects the saw and is easy to store and carry. With the SP6000J, Makita has delivered a saw capable of performing precise, accurate, and straight cuts that'll change the way professionals and serious building do-it-yourselfers cut large sheets of materials. From the likely magnesium components to the splinter-free precision bevel cuts, powerful 12-amp motor, and ergonomic rubberized grip, the SP6000J is destined to become a favorite among professional woodworkers. Get into the plunge circular saw technology today.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.